the solar industry, aerial data captured by drones is associated with solar site anomaly inspections. However, did you know that aerial data can also help you manage the entire lifecycle of your solar site? We will review the 3 phases of the solar site lifecycle. Surveying the ground or rooftop of potential solar site is where aerial data can give you a detailed understanding of obstacles during the site design phase. Aerial intelligence providers gather surveyor-grade imaging of the terrain and process the raw data into various models. After surveying the potential solar site and subsequent planning required for its construction, aerial data can play a significant role in construction monitoring. Ideally, aerial data software using machine learning algorithms can offer a unique data analytics perspective to visually track the progress of a solar site. Finally, to ensure optimal production, we can look at inspection and maintenance use cases. This is one of the most well-known applications of aerial data for the solar industry. Aerial intelligence can deliver based on best practices for automated anomaly detection and classification, allowing maintenance teams to manage solar sites in an efficient and safe manner. The analytics detect a wide range of issues, from small cell-level problems to larger string anomalies. Using aerial data helps enterprises optimize the site's performance and decrease operations and maintenance costs. When companies plan and execute all the steps in building their solar site, they can see an increase in energy production efficiency and prevent potential breakdowns. At Sitemark, we believe in the power of aerial intelligence to deliver these cost savings to your sites. Contact us to learn how we can help you achieve operational efficiency.